Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. In this tutorial series, I am going to develop a movie prediction system which predict movies for a particular user which he or she can like. So let's start. So in this tutorial, I am going to develop a form which inserts users in the database. So I have created a header.php files and I have included bootstrap and jQuery CDN files, and then I have shown the title of our project, product movie recommendation system, and I have created another file. I included the header.php file, and then I have created this panel and shown these two buttons, add product movies and the back button, and I have shown these two input I have shown this input box username and the button submit. Now if you execute this, it will look like this. Now we need to insert this username in the database. So first we need to create the database recommendation system, and the user database is successfully created. We need a table, and it will contain two columns. First one is the ID and the second one is the user name, users in fact, and this is primary key, and it will be auto increment, and the user name is bar chart, and it will have a length of 255. Now I will say execute this one. The table is successfully created. So we will change here to add user dot, and we need, when the form is submitted, we need to insert in the database. So we need to first connect. I have created this tb.php file. I will write mysqli underscore connect localhost, username is root, and the database is recommendation system, and I will store everything in the variable so we can use it. And I will include this db file db.php, and if the form is submitted, dollar post submit. If it is set, we can insert data in the database. So we will write the mysqli underscore query $con. We will write the query insert into, and our table name is users. We will insert the username, values, and the $post username. Okay, so everything looks good. As you can see, the username, we need to make it username, and submit. Looks good. Now we can execute this one. We will write John, and we will submit. Check users table. The user is successfully entered in the database, but we need to show a message here. So we need to define a flag. $flag is equal to 0. $flag, it is result, If it is true, we will set the flag to 1, and if flag is true, we will show a div class is equal to btn success, and it will say user successfully inserted in the database. Now let's check this again. We need to refresh this one, and we will add another user. As you can see, this message user successfully inserted in the database. Actually, yeah, then as you can see, it shows this message. So we have successfully inserted users in the database. In the next tutorial, I am going to show how to display these inserted users in a table. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.